Hi, welcome to AI Wiki. Screenly is a web-based tool that lets you capture, record, edit and share your screen with ease. Whether you want to take a screenshot of the current visible page, full web page, a selected area, or the browser window. Scrnli is an extension for Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browsers, and it works on any website for free. Record a video of your browser window. You can record your microphone sound or your device output sound. Let your audiences see the mouse cursor easier when you click. As you see, Scrnli can convert your video to different formats. You can draw anything with the pen or highlight items you want your audience to see. Erase if you make a mistake. Change the colors of your pen. You can record your screen or webcam, or add text and graphics to your captures. Scrnli has you covered. With Scrnli, you can create and share content faster and easier than ever. Thank you so much for watching AI Wiki. Please subscribe, press the bell, and set the notification to all so you won't miss my updates. Please help me to like and share. Thank you, see you next time.